Hello everyone, this is Nancy. Today I'm going to walk you through the complete workflow for jaw motion tracking without CBCT data, using our face scanner. As you can see, there are three types of facial data available. We can choose to either scan them directly or import them as needed. This time, to save time, we'll simply import them instead of scanning. A repose face is required, as it will be used to create reference planes in the subsequent process. Face data captured with a mouth opener is also required. Why? It's mainly for the subsequent workflow. All alignment steps need to be based on this facial data. Both types of facial data have been successfully imported, so now we can move on to the next step. Import the teeth data you need. The upper and lower jaws are required, while the bite occlusion data is optional. The upper and lower jaws have been successfully imported. Now we can proceed to the alignment process. Select the facial data with a mouth opener as the reference and use it to align with the other facial and teeth data. First, perform face-to-face alignment. Next, perform face-tooth alignment. Select the facial data with the mouth opener at first, then choose the upper jaw. Now, complete the alignment between the face and the lower jaw. All successfully aligned data is shown on the left and highlighted in green. Next, we need to create the reference planes. This is very simple. Just follow the instructions and select the corresponding points. And the software will quickly and accurately generate them automatically. The reference planes have now been created, and we can proceed to the next step. This time we'll use the default one, but we also support customer-specific versions. Follow the instructions. First, we need to mark the left porion. Jaw tracker points have already been created, and we can proceed to the next step. Now we've reached a very important step in jaw motion tracking, capturing the face data with the jaw tracker. In this step, the patient needs to wear the jaw tracker while we scan their face. To save time, we just import the data. The face with jaw tracker data has been successfully imported. Now we need to segment the upper and lower jaws. Just do as the instructions shows. After segmenting the jaw trackers, we just need to align the face with the opener to the face with the trackers. As you can see, when we enter the workflow, the software automatically imports the face data with the mouth opener. Alignment is easy. Just click this icon. In the previous step, when segmenting the face data with the jaw tracker, the software automatically generated the upper and lower jaw tracker data. So in this step, you can simply click Confirm. Now we can go to jaw motion tracking process. Jaw motion tracking is very easy. You only need to select the type of mandibular movement you want to record and enter the workflow. Then scan the patient with the jaw tracker attached and have the patient move their mandible according to the instructions. The software will automatically record the motion path. Any question, just feel free to contact me.